Here's another example of GCF factoring. We are asked to factor the polynomial or the trinomial 3a squared b cubed plus 6ab squared minus 12ab. The first step is to identify the GCF. Look at your coefficients 3, 6, negative 12. I could divide each of those by a 3. Then we're going to look at our powers of a squared. Over here we have a to the first. Over here we have a to the first. So we could definitely divide out an a to the first out of each of those terms. You always want to divide out the lower exponent. And then we look at our powers of b. We have b cubed, b squared, and b. We could definitely divide each of those terms by b to the first power, since it's the lowest power of b that we have in each of these terms. 3ab would be our GCF here. Open parentheses to find the other factor. In order to find the other factor that goes in parentheses, we have to take each of these terms and divide by the GCF. 3a squared b cubed, divide that by the GCF of 3ab. Positive 6ab squared divided by the GCF, which is 3ab. And negative 12ab divided by 3ab, which is the GCF. Bring down the GCF. Open parentheses. 3 divided by 3 would be 1. A squared divided by a would be a. We're using the quotient rule now. B cubed divided by b to the first power would be b squared, since you keep the variable b and you subtract the exponents. Bring down the plus sign. 6 divided by 3 is 2. A divided by a cancels out. B squared divided by b would be a copy of b. B to the first power. Bring down the minus sign. 12 divided by 3 is 4. A divided by a cancels out. B divided by b cancels out. And again, we can check. These are our factors, but we could check it by distributing the GCF to each of the terms, and you will get back the original polynomial.